Hello everybody. Okay, I bought a panini grill. Okay, as you can see from the picture there. And the brand is Aicok. I don't know, Aicok or Aicok contact grill. Because my other sandwich presser got spoiled. So I needed a replacement, and I saw that Shopee was having a promotion at 139 ringgit, but I managed to get it 129 with a voucher. Sorry if my voice is a bit coarse today. I have a sore throat. Okay, I am going to do an unboxing. Just skewered the sellotape off, and oh, it's big. From the picture, it didn't look big on the Shopee app. Okay, I'm gonna need both my hands for this. Okay, so they wrapped it with, like this foam. And then there's a warranty card. And then instruction manual. Okay, I'll read it later. But I cannot believe how big it is. Look. I mean, I can cook like 4 paninis in here. Okay. It's very big. It looks sturdy. There's a lock here. So I can carry it like luggage here. Has a standard 3-pin plug. Where is it? Where's the plug head? Right here. Let's open the inside. Unlock. Oh wow. It is big. Very big. Okay, I'm gonna put my hand in so you could like estimate how big it is. This is my hand. There. You see how many sandwiches I can put in here. You see? And I bet I could like lay it flat. Can I lay it flat? I'm not sure if I can lay it flat, if I can use both. So yeah, so when you make sandwiches, you could like flip them. I mean, it's a bit noisy. Maybe I need to oil the sides or something. But I am very happy. Thank you, Shopee. Okay, I'm gonna demo. I'm not sure. Maybe in the morning when we make some breakfast. Some grilled cheese, maybe. Some paninis or yep. And that's about it. Oh yeah, I forgot. It comes with this liquid catch or something. What you call it? Liquid catcher or yeah.